Hello people from all over the world, welcome to this channel. This channel is for educational purpose. I'm going to teach you guys Kirundi. Kirundi is a language spoken by people from Burundi. Burundi is a country located in Africa, especially in East African community. So let's get started. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you guys parts of the body in Kirundi. Parts of the body in Kirundi. Parts of the body in Kirundi. When you say parts of the body in Kirundi, you mean ibihimba vy'umubiri. Ibihimba vy'umubiri. Ibihimba vy'umubiri. That's parts of the body. Parts to mean ibihimba of vyu body umubiri. Ibihimba vy'umubiri. Parts of the body. Ibihimba vy'umubiri. Let's get started with I. For Kirundi say ijisho. 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 When we talk about eyes, in Kirundi we say amaso. Eyes, amaso. Amaso. Ijisho. Eyes, amaso. Amaso. Head. Head. In Kirundi you say umutwe. Umutwe. Head. Umutwe. Head. Umutwe. Nose. Nose. For Kirundi you say izuru. Nose. Izuru. 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 Repeat. Izuru. Nose. Izuru. Mouth. Mouth. For Kirundi you say umunwa. 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 Nwa. 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 Umunwa. Umunwa. Nwa. Umunwa. Nwa. Nwa. Umunwa. That's to say mouth. Mouth. Umunwa. Umunwa. When you mean chin or cheek, in Kirundi you say itama. Itama. But when you mean cheeks or chins, in Kirundi you say amatama. 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 Okay? When you mean this, eyebrows or eyelid, in Kirundi is the same. Eyebrows or eyelid, in Kirundi is the same. You say ingohe. Ingohe. This one is ingohe. Ingohe. And this one is ibigohe gohe. Ibigohe gohe. Ibigohe gohe. Ingohe. 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 Ibigohe gohe. Ibigohe gohe. Ibigohe gohe. Ibigohe gohe. Ingohe. Ingohe. Ibigohe gohe. Ibigohe gohe. Ingohe. For this, umuhogo. 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 But when you mean this is izosi. Izosi. Umuhogo. Umuhogo. Izosi. 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 Repeat. Izosi. Izosi. I mean here. When you mean hair, because hair is accountable. You can't count hair, unless you are a magician. You can't count hair. For hair, in Kirundi hair, but I don't have much hair. I don't have much hair, but you can say I have some hair. For hair, you say imishati. Repeat, imishati. That's hair. Imishati. When you say tooth, one tooth. In Kirundi you say iryinyo. Iryinyo. You see how I say iryinyo. But when I talk about teeth in Kirundi you say amenyo. Teeth. Amenyo. When I say about mustache or bird, in Kirundi you say ubwanwa. Repeat, ubwanwa. It's uncountable. Mustache or bird is the same. You say ubwanwa. When you talk about the ear you say ugutwi, because it's one. You say ugutwi. The ear you say ugutwi. When it's ears you say amatwi. Amatwi, that's to mean ears. Amatwi. And this one you say it's the arm. The arm you say, for the arm you say ukuwoko, because it's one arm. Ukuwoko. When you have two arms, you say amawoko. When you see, these are fingers. Fingers in Kirundi. Finger, one finger, you say urutoki. There are people who say urutoke. It depends on the regions of Burundi. There are people who say urutoke. There are people who say urutoki. But for most of the case, use urutoke. Others say urutoki. It depends upon the region. But when you want to say those fingers, you say inhoki. Fingers. Inhoki. There are those people say inhoke or inhoki. It depends upon the region in Burundi, but it's the same. People can understand when you are in Burundi. People can understand you very well what you mean. And when we talk about nail, this nail, nail. Okay. For Kirundi, you say when it's one nail. I mean, like this one nail. In Kirundi, you say ugwara, 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 ugwara. Repeat ugwara. But you see, if there are many nails. There can be two nails. They can be these fingernails. In Kirundi, they are the same. We call them inzara. These nails. You say inzara. And here in the palm is called ikiganza. Ikiganza is like a hand. Ikiganza is hand. Ikiganza. When we say hands, in Kirundi you say ibiganza. So this is the part one of the parts of the body. So after that, I'm going to share with you guys in coming videos part 2 of the parts of the body that I didn't tell you in this video. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, let me know, comment, tell me what's the next content, what's the next video I can share with you guys to know more about this language. It's a good language if you want to learn it, so make sure you subscribe. I will be right back to share with you in the next video. So thank you very much. Murakoze cyane. Thank you very much. Murakoze cyane. See you in the next video.